Hey, EarthGazers! The Nimble lizard retreats to a sheltered place as winter approaches and goes into hibernation. Despite its name implying extraordinary speed, it actually belongs to the slower-moving lizard category. Its legs are weak, and during movement, it cannot lift its body. Its speed is facilitated by the flexible spine and associated muscles. It eats almost anything smaller than its head. Its body is covered in dry scales. The closely arranged scales act as shields, protecting the animal from environmental factors and preventing dehydration. Newly hatched baby lizards immediately start their independent lives. They are willing to make small sacrifices for their survival. In such cases, they voluntarily detach their tails. They enjoy sunbathing, but they are not particularly fond of intense sunlight.